Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, you already see by the title, but we're gonna get all into this hair. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a wig. So I'm sure you guys have seen the headband wig tutorials floating around on YouTube. It has grown to be pretty popular within the week or so. And when I first heard the concept of it and saw it, it literally blew my mind. And I wanted to jump on the train and see what the hype was all about. So I decided to partner up with CurlsCurls in this video so I could finally show you guys the headband wig. So if you want to get into this hair, if you want to watch me play around with it and know all the deets, then girl, you're not going to want to miss this one. Keep on watching. And if this is your first time seeing my face or stumbling across my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking and stopping by, and I hope that you'll stick around by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified each and every time I drop a new video. So enough with the chit chat, we gonna get straight into it. All right, y'all, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the hair that I'll be working with is by CurlsCurls, and this is the box that it came in. Very sturdy, very cute. And in the box, they also sent me a couple of headscarf and headbands, so this would definitely give you a wide variety of styles that you could pull off with this headband wig. And in the box, they also included this instruction manual, which will show you how to maintain the hair, how to care for it, how to install it, etc. And now onto the wig. This is how it looks like straight out the box. Now this is the Kinky curly headband wig, and this resembles 3C/4A hair type. And real quick, I also wanted to show you where the hair clips are positioned underneath the wig. I believe it comes with 4 clips, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. So you could use these clips to further secure your headband wig down. So before I go ahead and install my headband wig, I'm just gonna give it a light wash. I would highly recommend that you wash the hair first as opposed to rocking it straight out the box, because washing it is definitely gonna help to loosen up the curls, and it's gonna be easier for you to style and work with. So I'm first gonna start off with my VO5 shampoo, and I'm just giving it a quick little wash. You don't have to use nothing fancy, nothing expensive. A good old VO5 shampoo would do the trick. And of course, after that, I'm gonna follow up with my conditioner. This is also by VO5. And I'm just going to apply a generous amount and use my fingers to slightly detangle the hair. While washing the hair, I experienced minimal shedding. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later how much hair came out while washing this wig, but it was a very small amount. And yeah, like I said, this hair was very easy to work with and to wash. So that is pretty much it. I'm just going to wrap it around in this towel. And here in this clip, you see the little amount of hair that came out. This hair was very easy to wash and detangle. All right, so now it's finally time to style this wig, and I prefer to do it on the head mannequin. And as y'all can see, just by me washing this wig, you could clearly see that the curls have loosened significantly. And to keep that wet curly look, I'm gonna use my noodle head curling cream. I really like to use this product on curly hair. It really helps to keep that wet curly look. It also helps to further define the curls, and it also does not weigh down the hair. I don't like to use heavy products so much on curly hair. I just feel like sometimes it tends to weigh it down. So this will do the trick to keep the hair looking nice and the curls looking juicy. And that's pretty much all I do to style this hair. Now I'm just gonna continue to do the same thing along the rest of the wig. And I like to style curly hair when it's slightly damp. So whenever I feel the hair getting dry, I just tend to spray it from time to time with my water bottle. And whenever you work with curly hair, I would also highly suggest that you get yourself a paddle brush. This will make your life a hell of a lot easier. I prefer to use a paddle brush on curly hair to help define the curls and also to distribute the product along the hair. So I'm just brushing through that section to distribute the product and keep the curls nice and defined. So here's a closer look of the hair, and guys, the curls are looking extra juicy. This wig take on product so well, and the quality of this hair is great, guys. From root to tip, the curls look so natural. Even on the ends, as you guys can see, the curl is still intact. It just has a really nice S curl. There are no parts of this wig where the curls look dull, flat, or uneven. All of the curls look uniformed and resembles natural hair down to the T. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done styling the wig, I'm now going to finally tackle my actual hair. And for today, I was feeling to do a middle part, and you don't really need to leave out too much hair. I'm just going to be working with the little hair that I left out in the front, and the rest of the hair in the back are braided and tucked away. And to slick my hair down, my gel of choice for today is going to be the Extreme Wetline Gel. This gel does the trick to get my hair looking nice and slicked down. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount along the front of my hair, and we're just gonna brush it, smooth it out, and just get the front section looking nice and neat. And that is pretty much it. Once I'm done with that section, I'm just gonna braid it up and do the same thing to the other side. Now to further tame my edges, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Got2b glue gel and apply a little bit along the edges. I don't want nothing curling up or frizzing up throughout the day. So this is really gonna help to secure my edges down. And now to set the hair in place, I'm first gonna take my 2 braids, pin it in the back. And after that, I'm gonna put on my stocking cap to protect the back portion of my hair and to set it in place. And for the front of my hair, I'm gonna use my headscarf. I wanted to give the hair in the front time to set in place, which is why I did this before applying my makeup. So I just let the headscarf set the hair in place for about an hour or 2. And by the time I had finished doing my makeup, the front part of my hair was dry and slicked down how I wanted it. All right, so we got the wig styled, check. I got my natural hair tamed down, check. Now it's finally time to apply this baby. And let me tell you, this wig was so easy to throw on. Like, this was by far the easiest wig that I've ever had to apply on my head. And the fact that you don't have to use no glue, no gel, is just such a convenience. So here's a back shot view of what I'm doing to secure my headband in the back. The headband has a Velcro attachment, and all you do is simply press down the 2 Velcro attachment pieces together. And you could adjust the band to assure that it's not too loose or tight fitting. And that is pretty much it, guys, just like that. Along with the hair clips that were placed underneath, this wig feels really secure on my head. It's not going nowhere. And guys, look at how natural this headband wig looks. Like, I was such in awe and I was so shocked. Girl, this wig is a look. It's a look. It is definitely a look. So from here, I'm just adjusting the wig. I wanted to give it a little bit more volume, so I just bumped it up using my hair pick, and voila. I honestly feel like you could rock the hair like this without putting a headscarf on. It looks totally fine to me, but I'm just gonna quickly throw on this headscarf that I bought the other day. I just wanted to try it on real quick and show you guys how the headscarf looked before I try on the other ones that Curls sent me. You guys, this wig is so freaking cute. Oh my God, with the headscarf is just everything. All I need to do now is just throw on a pair of hoop earrings and the look is complete. Alright, so here are the headbands that came along with the wig. Curls sent me a couple to just play around with. And I really like this blue one. I feel like this blue and pink color match my outfit for today, so I'm gonna try this. And as you all can see, this one is a little bit more tube-like, so I feel like you could definitely pull off more styles with this, and it's very stretchy. So I'm going to throw this one on. And for this headband, I'm gonna leave a little bit of my edges out. If you choose to cover up your edges completely, you definitely could do so, but I feel like it looks a little bit more natural when you leave just a bit of your edges out. And here is is the look, guys. This headband was also fairly easy to work with, and I feel like this headband will be suitable if you're heading out to run errands or if you're going to the gym. It's very easy, very effortless. So on the other headband tutorials I watched on YouTube, I saw a couple of girls do an updo hairstyle with the headband, so I attempted to do the same. Now I have to play around with this wig a little bit more so I could get the hang of it, but this is what I tried to do. I feel like it's cute, you know? What do you guys think? I feel like if you throw on some hoop earrings, you could kind of make this work, you know? I attempted to play around with this, but I gotta work on my updo hairstyles a little bit more to perfect it. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this a look or not? All right, so moving on, they also sent me this silk headscarf. I wanted to try this one out. This headscarf is really large in comparison to the headbands that they sent me. So I'm just attempting to do a quick little style with this one. I just did a quick little tie knot style with the headscarf, and I think this one came out cute as well. I really love the satiny silk material of this headscarf. And yeah, I think this one came out so cute. These silk headscarf look a little bit more dressy. I feel like the headband that I showed you in the previous style look a little bit more casual. All right, y'all, so I pretty much covered the bases on everything concerning this wig. You guys saw me unbox the hair, wash, prep, install, and style. And I know I only threw about 2 solid hairstyles at you guys. I have to play around with this wig a little bit more, to be honest. I know I could definitely pull off more hairstyles with this. This is the way you could dress up or dress down. I plan to order a lot more headbands and headscarves from Amazon so I could have more of a wide variety to play with. And also the headscarf that Curls Curls provided me, they were really, really cute. I really like this silk satiny scarf. It's so cute. You could dress it up, put a cute outfit with it. But after playing around with this wig for a little bit, I'm gonna answer the burning question. Is this headband wig worth it? And the answer is hell yes. Whoever came up with this idea was just genius. Pure genius. This is by far the most innovative creation that I've seen in a while when it comes to hair and wigs. Because this wig, baby, not only is it perfect for beginners, but this is a wig you can literally throw on if you're running errands, if you have to go to the gym. This is just an easy wig. Hands down, I love everything about this wig. The texture feels great. It resembles natural hair to the T, and this resembles 3C/4A type hair. And of course, all of their hairs and wigs are 100% human hair. So you are free to do whatever you want with this hair. And I just love how they mimic a natural hair, African American hair down to the T. It's like amazing. And CurlsCurls.com, they offer a wide variety of different hair textures and style. So if you don't want the curly textured headband wig, you check out their website. They have other different styles. I've seen a couple of bob headband wigs on their website. They have long straight hair. They just have a wide variety of different styles in the headband wig. So definitely check that out. I'm gonna leave all the information down below, including the direct link to this wig and the websites to Curls Curls. Now, I know when it comes to the prices, their hair are a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but you're paying for the quality, guys. Like, this is my 3rd time working with Curls Curls, and each time they send me a unit, the texture is just amazing. The quality is amazing. I've had one of their units for the oldest one for like 2 years now, and it's still in tip-top shape. So you have to factor that in, guys. You are paying for the quality of this hair, and they deliver, okay? So that was it for this video, guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching me slay and install this easy bomb ass wig. I am so in love with this. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.